Guys, welcome back to my channel. So here is simply how to create an account for your US visa appointment. So the first thing is to go to this link, US Visa AVITS.com/visa. I'll drop the description, or rather I'll drop the link in the description so you could also check that basically for your easy access. So you scroll down, of course you read all the requirements, and you select the country that applies to you. Basically now the AVITS system, which is a new system, is not applicable to all countries, only to the countries mentioned in this drop down. So I'll be clicking Nigeria because of course I'm making this video from Nigeria. So once the next page pops up, you click the login button. So after you've clicked on the login button, it takes you to another new page, which is this you're seeing on the screen. Then of course you scroll down to see new user sign up, so you click on this. So if you click on that, you see register to book an appointment. So basically you input your name, the email address you want to use, and of course the phone number, your current phone number. So once you've provided the necessary details, your email address, phone number, of course, and the password you want to use to access the portal, you just click accept all terms and also click the tab which says you're not a robot, and it comes screen like this. Then of course you will now be able to create an account, which is this. You just click on it. So once you click on the create an account tab, it takes you, the AVITS portal sends an email, a user activation email, to the email address you provided while you're filling the form. So you go into the email address within 24 hours, within 72 hours rather, the link will expire. So you click on the link, as you can see, and once you click on the link, you automatically activate the account and you can proceed to book your appointment as you've planned for it. Yes, it's very straightforward, it's very easy. I have subsequent videos that will show you how to fill the information from end to end, so I don't talk about that. I'll drop the link in the description. You can also see it, and also see it. You can also see another video that shows you what happens after you've filled the form and you've also paid the visa fee. So I have like a 360 explanation from end to end on the AVITS portal appointment booking process. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any issues while you're creating your account, let me know. Yes, sometimes this activation link goes into your spam mail, so ensure that if you're not seeing it in your primary mailbox, check your spam. It might be there. Thank you. Bye bye.